Yeah, hello traders, it's your one and only Forex coach, Team Legend, and I'm super excited to have you all here today on this one. Okay guys, if you notice something, I'm currently on a trade right now. I just placed this sell and I'm anticipating price to go deeper in my favor. Okay, and let me just give you a little glance of what I'm doing. As you can see, I just placed this sell here. Okay, so I'm anticipating price to actually fall all the way down from here to here is where I have my take profit. Okay, and then on the other hand, that you can see I also have my sell limit here. All right, so with a sell limit, I anticipate that if price comes and hits my sell limit, it should trigger a sell automatically from there. So that is to say, if price doesn't go down from here, all right, I expect it should come down anytime soon around here. And if you get to observe, you will notice that already I have my take profit in place here and I have my stop loss right in place here. All right, remember, I always tell you guys, in every single trade you take, you always want to make sure you're applying risk management. You always want to make sure you set your stop losses and always make sure you don't risk more than what you can afford to lose. Okay, so you might likely ask me, so what's the criteria for taking this trade that I just took right now? So if this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a little favor? Smash the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss out any single thing, because right here in this channel, all I post are contents that helps you win in the financial markets. Are you ready, guys? So let's proceed. So guys, if you remember, I gave you guys an update about my $100 monthly giveaway. I'll be giving away $100 to my subscribers every single month. All right, all you need to do is pay close attention to whatever I teach you on my forex trading channel. So it could be this channel or it could be my price action channel. So that's why you want to make sure you join my price action channel also as you are here, so that you don't miss out any single training that I give you guys, because in those training I will always ask you questions and you want to make sure you answer my questions correctly, so that you can be a particular of those who are going to win $100 from me at the end of the month. Okay, so I'll give you guys the update on how you can answer the questions. It's going to be a simple quiz that you always want to answer, that is going to be based on the things that I teach you both here on this channel or in my price action channel. Okay, so without much being said, let's get started into the business. So right now, as we can see, the market has just spiked deeper, and that's what I anticipate. Okay, I anticipate a massive move to the downside. So I anticipate price to go even deeper than this. Now, why did I actually take this trade? Listen to me, listen closely, guys. I always tell my students that in every single trade you take, you always want to make sure you have at least two confluence and more. All right, two confluence and more. Don't ever take a trade based on just one confluence. It's not confluential enough, because I tell my students, your confluence is your confidence to take that trade. Remember, I always say that. So the more confluence you have, the more confident you become to place your trade. So therefore, as a trader, you must always make sure you have at least two reasons why you take a trade. So why did I take the trade here? Now we can see that the price has gotten to my Bollinger Band. All right, which you can see, this is my Bollinger Band here right now, and it has gotten to my Bollinger Band resistance because it serves as support and resistance. Okay, so at this moment, price is at Bollinger Band resistant. And not just that, that's the confluence one. Confluence two is that I can see the bears had pushed down and the bulls pushed back up and failed at the second resistance touch of the Bollinger Band. So that tells me that the bears have become weak at this zone and they're ready to push down anytime soon. So that's why when I opened my chart and saw that analysis already, instantly I placed the sell that I placed here, and believing and hoping that is going to go deep, probably to get to here where we have this previous support, and which is also a zone for the Bollinger Band support zone. Okay, so that's I'm anticipating to take my profit somewhere around here, but I know actually it's going to actually struggle when it gets here anyway, but that's not really much to talk about. I have this anticipation that it will surely get here because this is the main support. This zone is the main support. So that's why I have my take profit level, which you can see TP. All right.
Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.
So it's only going to take a little time, but it will indeed prevail as soon as possible. As we can see that the move already has even begun. Okay, so that's the reason why I placed my trade here. But remember, I always tell you guys that it's always good to place your trade from, once you see it as resistance, place your trade as resistance. If it has passed your resistance, then it might likely not be too safe for you. Okay, so you always want to be sure about what you're doing. All right, the reason why I place the trade that I place is because I know my account balance can handle the stop loss all the way from here, from where I place the sell, and my balance can actually handle the stop loss of where it is currently. It is, and besides, I'm not on a high risk. I'm on the lowest lot size of the crash 500. Okay, so you always want to make sure you have proper reasons for your trades. Your buys, your sells, always have proper reasons. Okay, hit the like button, traders, if you love this video, and then make sure you've learned whatever I taught you, because if I'm going to set an exam for you guys based on this, the exams is going to come out based on the things I said, the words I said, the actions I took. Okay, so make sure you hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and join my price action channel, because most of the questions that I'll be asking you guys for the $100 giveaway is always going to come mainly on the price action things that I teach you guys. So make sure you join that channel. All right, the link is on the description of this video, or you can see it on the screen. Bullish Bear FX B2P. Okay, so for the main time traders, make sure you stay safe and keep winning.